In this video, let's take a look at the APK tool. The APK tool is a popular open source tool for reverse engineering, decompiling and modifying Android applications. Available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS operating systems. It efficiently decodes and extracts resources from APK files such as AndroidManifest.xml and Smali files. It allows developers to extract the resources and source code from APK files and then change them for customization or to create new applications. APK tool practical. In this section, we will review how to install the APK tool on a Windows machine. To install the APK tool, follow the steps. First, open your browser, type APK tool in the search bar, press enter. Once on the official website, we can view instructions for installation. You can also access it using the link provided below. To get the wrapper script, navigate to the 𝐖𝐡𝐻 APK Tools GitHub page from the link and then copy the code. Launch the text editor of your choice. In this case, we have used Notepad. Paste this code into the notepad and save the file as apktool.bat. Return to your browser and click back button to return for the installation instruction page. From the second step, click on APK tool. Second, download the most up-to-date APK tool. Now make a new folder named APK tool in your directory. Copy the apktool.bat and the latest version of APK tool jar into the newly created folder APK tool. Now rename the APK tool 2.7.0 jar file to apktool.jar. Now press the window key and search edit the system environment. Open the edit the system environment, click on environment variable. From the second box, click on path. Then click on new and add the full path to the folder, APK tool inside the field. Then click on OK for all the parent tabs. The APK tool is installed at this point. So to check it out, open the APK tool folder, type cmd on the navigation bar and press enter. Enter the APK tool version to show the currently installed version of the APK tool. We can also use -help to show all the options that are available in the APK tool. Note that depending on your operating system, it may be necessary to add the APK tool directory to its path variable in order to access this tool from any directory.